Dear children, last day I taught you lesson first, the reign of terror, page number 19. Speeches and address के बारे में पढ़ाया था. Now look at page number 20, citizen. Instead of traditional Monsieur, Sir and Madam, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citizen. नागरिकता और उनके सम्मान में कौन सब जोड़े जाते थे ये बताया गया इसमें. नागरिकों में सर और मैडम करके बोला जाता था और ऑल फ्रेंच मैन एंड वीमेन वर इन्फोर्ड सिटियन, सभी नागरिक थे जिन्हें सिटियन या सिटियोने के नाम से जानते थे. चर्च शुड डाउन, churches shut down, क्या churches were shut down and their building converted into brackets of offices. इस समय रिवॉल्यूशनरी के समय में ये आपके ब्रैकेट बन गए थे या अथवा ऑफिस सरकारी बन गए थे. बैरक्स में जानते, बैरक्स माने जहाँ पर छावनी समझिए. Intensification, the intensification of the reign of terror caused many influential members of the convention and of the Jacobin club to fear for their own safety. In La Robespierre, on July 27, 1794, Robespierre was accused of banning from speaking at the National Convention and was placed under arrest as were several key supporters. On July 28, Robespierre, together with his closest associates and 19 other supporters, died on the guillotine. मतलब उनको गुलटेन से मार दिया गया, सर से अलग कर दिया गया उनके रोस्पेरे को और उनके समर्थकों को. फ्रांस रूल बाई डायरेक्टरी. अब इसके बाद फ्रांस में डायरेक्टरी का शासन होता है जिसका मुखिया या चीफ कह दें नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट होता है. देखिए क्या है. आफ्टर द फॉल ऑफ द जैकोबिन्स, द वेल्थियर मिडिल क्लास seized power. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertied society. It provided for two elected legislative council. These council appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. Directory was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive. ये आपकी जो डायरेक्टरी थी 5 सदस्यों के मेंबर वाली थी, लेकिन इसमें नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ही अपनी भूमिका निभा रहा था. तो 1 मैन इसीलिए कहा गया, केवल 1 मैन का से. Often the directors clashed with the legislative council and were dismissed. This political instability paved the way to the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. अब देखिए 1 मैन चला रहा था नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट शासन. बाद में उसने अपनी डायरेक्टरी को भंग कर स्वयं शासन सत्ता ग्रहण कर लिया. कहता political instability paved way to rise Napoleon Bonaparte. The deal of freedom, equality and fraternity remained inspiring deals that motivated political movements for France and the rest of Europe during the following century. Women and revolution. Women's pitiable position. इस समय महिलाओं की दशा बहुत ही दयनीय थी. तो कहते हैं the women of the third state grievance against the old regime. During the old regime, They lived pitiable life. They worked as laundresses, sold flowers and vegetables in the market. Working women also had to do household chores. They had to cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after their children. They received less wages than men for equal work. Active participation. From the very beginning of revolution, women had been active participants in the events which brought about so many important changes in the French society. To voice their grievances, women started their own newspaper and political clubs. They formed about 60 women's clubs in different cities. One of the most famous among of them, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, that demanded political rights such as right to vote and the elected assembly and hold political offices as enjoyed by men. Men's reduction to passive citizens, some laws in favor of women, the revolutionary government in its early years introduced some laws to improve the condition of women. अब देखिए आपके सामने पहले महिलाओं को आदमियों जैसे अधिकार नहीं प्राप्त थे, तो इन्होंने अपने वहाँ फ्रांस में अपने अलग क्लब और अपनी अलग से सोसाइटियाँ पार्टियाँ बनाई और उनके आधार पर इन्हें आगे बढ़ने का अवसर मिला। और फिर क्या कहते हैं, सम लॉज इन फेवर ऑफ वीमेन बने। द रिवोल्यूशनरी गवर्नमेंट इन इट्स अर्ली ईयर्स इंट्रोड्यूस सम लॉज टू इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन ऑफ वीमेन। नई रिवोल्यूशनरी सरकार बनी तो उसने महिलाओं के लिए ये अधिकार दिए बराबरी के। एजुकेशन, मैरिज, ट्रेनिंग, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंस ऑफ स्ट्रगल। एजुकेशन में इट स्टेबलाइज स्कूल फॉर वीमेन एंड मेड एजुकेशन कंपल्सरी फॉर ऑल गर्ल्स। मैरिज was made into a contract, entered into fairly. The marriages were to be duly registered. Divorce was made legal both for men and women. Training. Women could receive training for job, could become artists or run small businesses. Continuance of struggle. The women continued their struggle for political rights during the reign of terror against the expectation, and the constitution of the 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. The new government vended women's clubs and their political activities. Many prominent women leaders were arrested and a number of them were executed. However, the women did not give up hope and continued their struggle for voting rights and equal wages. During the next 200 years, in many countries of the world, the example of political activities of the French women during the French Revolutionary years inspired them. It was only in 1946 that the French women owned the right to vote. The abolition of the slavery. Next day,